Hey, what's up? It's JT from john.tattersall.com and welcome to my Commission Secrets review. Okay, so here I am in the members area. I just wanted to give you a quick feel for what this involves, the smiling face of Cynthia there. So I'll come back to this in a little while and take you through in more detail a little bit further into this review. So Commission Secrets is an entirely new product which is primarily aimed at less experienced or newer affiliate marketers with one specific purpose, which is to cover the basic and fundamental principles of affiliate marketing. It is a training and information product from John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. Now, Commission Secrets launches on the 6th of August at 9 AM EST. The training and the information provided covers the exact process that both John and Cynthia use to run and manage their online business, and the potential is that by using these exact same methods you too can achieve similar results, providing of course that you actually take action. Now, this training and information is a tag team delivered by both Cynthia and John, and the delivery style is comprehensive and it's detailed and over the shoulder. It's a case of do what I do approach, in other words, to be successful. The training is comprehensive, it's clear, it's well structured, and it's very easily understood. Now, in this review video, I'm going to take you through the Commission Secrets members area, and then I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that will help people just trying to get their heads around the concepts of affiliate marketing and what steps in sequence should you follow. Now, these fundamental principles can be used in any niche and irrespective as to whether you are promoting lower offers through, say, Amazon affiliate scheme or ClickBank products, and also it applies to high ticket items or offers. So whether you're interested in promoting PLR products or software from Warrior Plus, or even high ticket items at the top end of the market, these taught methods will help you reach your targeted audience. Now, in Commission Secrets review video, I'm also going to give you my view on the product's pros and cons, and I'm going to take you through the upsells or the OTOs within the sales funnel. Now, in order for you to get the best out of this product, should you decide to purchase it through my link down below, I've also got 4 added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. Now, these have been carefully put together to help you move beyond the fundamentals within Commission Secrets, and it complements John's and Cynthia's training. The bonus collection gives you additional tools and information to help you make more money more quickly, and also to scale up your online business. And I've also got 2 mega bonuses to give you, if you decide to pick up at least one of the OTOs. So if you watch my video to the end, then I will explain how that process works. Now, these hand-picked bonuses are completely free and they're yours to keep if you click below through my link in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it'll take you straight through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Okay, so here we are on the bonus page. The first thing I want to point out to you is that if you click on any of these orange buttons on this page, then that'll take you through to the sales page where you can then purchase the product should you decide to do that. So what is Commission Secrets? Well, it's secret profit commission streams that make $18.55 every minute on autopilot. That's the claim. So remember, click on any of these orange buttons and it'll take you through to the purchase page. So what is it all about? You'll unlock the secrets of the world's biggest marketers for easy, automatic daily commissions. And what's meant by that is that the principles in Commission Secrets are used by most of the marketers in the marketplace today. Now, there are a number of different upsells that go with this. So the front end for this, which is Commission Secrets front end here at $12.95, you'll unlock the secrets of the world's biggest marketers for easy daily commissions on autopilot. Upgrade number 1 or OTO number 1 is Commission Secrets Pro at $27. Unlocked advanced training strategies and insider secrets to earn even more money. So that gives you more potential to build your business quicker. Upgrade number 2, which is Commission Secrets Done For You, $365. It's $37. You'll get done for your bonus pages every week for 365 days. You'll also get a funnel. You'll get email swipes. Just note that you will need to be able to access Commission Gorilla when I put a link to that underneath in the description of this YouTube video. Upgrade number 3 is Steal Our Traffic, so you get the opportunity to insert your pixel on their sales pages for the next 12 months, which will build you a huge audience of proven buyers. Upgrade number 4 is quadruple reseller rights at $47, so you can sell this effectively as your own product, and as a result of that you get to keep 100% of the commissions across the full funnel, as well as getting access to another 3 products: Supreme Paydays, Profit Force and Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded, and then you get reseller rights come with those as well, so you can promote those. Upgrade number 5 at $997 is where you get the opportunity to join the beta tester group for their special coaching and mentoring program called the Super Affiliate Method, where they'll work with you personally and help you achieve success. But this will be capped at 15 people, so only 15 people will be joining this limited coaching group. And then the final upgrade, which is Launch Accelerator, $1,997, which is strictly limited to one person only. You get the opportunity to launch a product with both John and Cynthia. Quickest way to get a buyer's list. They'll do all the work for you. They'll pay for the professional sales copy and design, and that's worth $1,000 in total. But you then collect 100% of the buyer leads and 10% of the profits. So some additional benefits you might be interested in getting: it's a proven method for banking big profits quickly. It's 100% friendly for beginners. You can generate multiple passive income streams. You can do this part-time, and it's potentially recession proof. So remember, all you need to do is click on one of these orange buttons here. So I'll quickly take you through my bonuses on this page. So the first one is, at some point, if you're serious about developing an affiliate marketing brand and being successful online, you're going to need a WordPress site. This is a full-blown WordPress development site, not only for a WordPress site, but a SEO optimized, quick loading site that will potentially get you to the top of any Google search. So it gets you higher up the rankings in order for you to be successful. Bonus number 2 is a program which will help you generate banners so you can make your points and your promos leap out of the page. So that's a full-blown piece of software that will enable you to do that. Bonus number 3 is how you can then maximize your business by growing it through social media. So this again is another full-blown training course enabling you to really get to grips with social media and take advantage of that in order to be able to grow your business. And then the final bonus is the Traffic Marketing Success program, which again is another full-blown training program helping you to be able to drive even more traffic through to your offers and your affiliate links. And then obviously all of the vendors bonuses, which I'll take you through when I go through the sales page, they will also be included in that as well. Now, in order to pick this up, you will need a Warrior Plus account, so just go to warriorplus.com, follow the instructions there, set up your account. Then if you purchase this, you'll then be able to access this through this green button here for the program. And for the bonuses, which I've just taken you through, all you need to do is click on one of these, this blue button here that I've ringed in red, and then that will give you access to the bonuses. So that's it for the bonus page. I just want to now quickly take you through the actual sales page and give you a feel for what that contains, and more importantly show you the bonuses that the two people, John and Cynthia, are providing as well. Okay then, so here we are on the sales page. This is a standard sales page. Some blurb at the top there with an introductory video, proven method for banking big profits, 100% beginner friendly, multiple passive income streams, full-time dollars from part-time hours, and it's recession proof. So what I want to find on here, before I go scroll down to where the bonuses are, where I think they are anyway, I just want to remind you that in order to pick this up, all you need to do is click on one of these orange buttons, and that will take you through to the payment details. And obviously there's different ways of paying for this. So the problem with these is that they get extremely long, so I'm just going to quickly go down all the way down, generally towards the bottom end. They get longer and longer, these things. Just bear with me. Just further down there. Here we are. So bonuses that are only available during this launch. So these are the bonuses from the vendors. So very own done for you super funnel that's generated over $100,000 worth $997. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is the OLSP Traffic Domination Group, which is the group that's run by Wayne Crowe, if memory serves me correctly, which is a course where you can learn how to earn commissions daily. I actually think on that course as well you get $20 given to you once you complete the training, so that'll even pay for, we buy that and you're still in pocket from the cost of buying this, so an opportunity there, I guess. Bonus number 3, Supreme Paydays, ultimate push button solution, shows you how to build online commission machine and just copy and paste. And bonus number 4 is Profit Force, which is an A to Z commission blueprint with a secret triple threat traffic source and done for you money pages. And then the 5th bonus is Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. So you learn how to build powerful buyers list quickly, and they'll pay you over and over again. So that's it for the bonuses. Well, wait a minute. Actually, there is a fast action bonus. So the first 150 people get invited to how we made 12,226 in 30 days using other people's products training. So that's a live training which you get access to, so that's an additional bonus. And then you've got another bonus here, which is plus fast action bonus number 2, which is the first 100 people get this, which is access to an autopilot traffic software app. So, given the fact you're going to get $20 back if you complete the OLSP training, I'm not so sure there's anything really stopping you to get this. So all you need to do is click on one of these orange buttons. So I'm going to give you a quick run through the members area in a bit more detail so you can see how that works. Okay, so here we are in the members area. Just so you know, with these members areas, particularly if it's a ClickFunnels one, which this one is, you've generally got the training videos here on the right hand side, and then you have a drop down menu on the left hand side with all the various buttons that give you access to the training. So the welcome, which this one is, watch first, is a welcome from Cynthia, opportunity to sign up for the advanced training call, and then potentially to subscribe to Cynthia's YouTube channel. Then you've got a welcome from John Newman himself, and the same opportunity to join his YouTube channel there. And there are some other buttons here that give you additional information. So the actual training menu itself is down this left hand side. So the first one is where you start, and then you've got the main training area here, and the fundamentals of affiliate marketing are covered in detail in each of these modules. First one is about building trust and why that's important. The second one is that everybody will tell you that the money's in the list, so developing a list of proven buyers, again extremely important. The use of urgency or scarcity is a tool that you can use to get people to make the decision to buy more quickly. Then you've got the pre-sell, the actual page itself, the bonus, and then there's a case study that they take you through. So that's the bulk of the main training. But then you have the traffic blueprint, which is a module that John covers. And actually the ultimate traffic blueprint, I thought when I went through the training material, is extremely useful in terms of how the actual funnel works and all the various elements of that. So I thought that was pretty useful. So then you've got the conclusion and the next steps. You've got some more information relating to your bonuses that you're picking up, and then you've got some unannounced bonuses there. So in terms of additional bonuses, which you can potentially get, so each of these you click on and it takes you through to additional information. You've got the resources that you could tap into, and then the actual upsells that sit there at the bottom. So that's the training delivery page in terms of the members area. So now I'll just wrap this up. So this brings me to the end of my review of Commission Secrets. Now, I did say that I would point out any pros and cons regarding Commission Secrets. It's a valuable training and information product designed to help people that are just starting to dip their toes in the water regarding affiliate marketing. In that sense, it is foundational level training, and if that is what you need right now, then it does deliver that. Most, if not all, of the training can be found on YouTube or within the Google search, so it's not unique. However, it is all in one package, and the explanation of the blueprint of how affiliate marketing works, as I've already said, was excellent. The bonuses from the vendor and my own purposely bundled together will build on the foundational training as taught by John and Cynthia. Even with just a front end at $12.95, you will be able to start to understand and put into action your strategy, irrespective of the niche that you choose. How quickly you will begin to make money, though, hinges on one thing, and that is, will you complete the training fully, and will you take action? I've found out through my own journey that there are no get-rich-quick schemes or push this button and you will be a millionaire schemes. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. These things don't exist. If you want success, then you've got to get off your arse and you've got to put in the work. Most people won't. The question is, will you? Commission Secrets has everything in it that you could need to start to build a list and then build trust with the people on that list. Now, I did say that I had 2 mega bonuses that I will give away to anyone picking up any of the OTOs who can produce evidence of their purchase by sending me a screenshot of the purchase. These are 2 high-end full-blown training packages by, in my opinion, one of the best trainers in the affiliate marketing space right now. All you need to do to get these 2 mega bonuses is to email me a screenshot of your purchase screen from Warrior Plus to john.tattersall@yahoo.co.uk. And remember, these are in addition to the 4 bonuses I've already given you and John and Cynthia's bonuses. So there we have it. Go out and check the bonuses and feel free to return to them once you've checked out what other Commission Secret marketers are offering in terms of their bonuses. And I hope that you found that this review of Commission Secrets helpful and that I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in Commission Secrets or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then pick it up via my link below. Please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I wish you every success with starting your affiliate journey and scaling then from there. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best for now. Goodbye.